Namaste, I'm Archana Pami. Welcome back to my channel. This is a seated warm-up sequence. Before you start any practice or before asana practice or even any other exercises that you are doing, this is a good warm-up sequence to do. Sometimes what I do is if I'm feeling too lazy or if I'm crunched for time and I can't do my yoga practice for the day, I often end up just doing these warm-ups either seated or standing. So let's get started. Sit in a comfortable position. You can just keep your feet crossed. I'm sitting in simple Sukhasana. If you're comfortable, you could also sit in Vajrasana, bending your knees and sitting on top of your heels. So just close your eyes just to connect back to this moment. Rolling back your shoulders, relaxing the arms on the knees. Taking a moment to connect with the breath and this moment. Breathing out through the mouth slowly and as long as possible. Bringing the palms to the heart center, starting with Om, chanting 3 times. Inhale. Rub the palms, place them on your eyes. Feel the warmth. Gently gaze at your palms. Open your eyes. Namaste. So we're going to start with warm-ups of all the joints, starting from the neck, the shoulder, and then a little bit of the hips and the knees. And in addition to that, we will also be doing spinal movements, so stretching, extending, flexing, lateral and even twist, all of these done seated. So starting with the neck, we can start with extending the neck above, looking up, inhale, exhale, gazing down, chin tucked to the chest. Repeating this a couple of times. Inhale, exhale, keeping the shoulders relaxed and not tightening them. Inhale, exhale, bringing the head back to neutral, switching to side, starting with the right. Inhale in place, exhale to the right. Inhale to center, exhale to left. Repeating this. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, center. Now doing it side to side. Inhale, exhale, right ear touching to the right shoulder. Inhale, exhale to the left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale to the left. Inhale to center, exhale to right. Inhale to center, exhale to left. Inhale. As you can see, I generally tend to close my eyes because sometimes if I'm turning, twisting, I tend to feel a little dizzy. So feel free to do this eyes closed or even keeping your eyes open. The last one is the neck rotation, starting from the right side. You inhale, look back, center to the left, exhale, dropping down. Inhale back through the right to the left, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Reversing direction, inhale to the left, back, exhale through the right and down. And relax. As you can see, I am over exaggerating by breathing deeply in and exhaling out, just to let you know what is the breath that needs to be followed. You may feel free to do that as relaxed as possible, or if you'd like to exercise the power of your breath, you may go in as deep as I am doing. So now that we've warmed up the neck, let's move on to our shoulders. So just doing shoulder roll. So inhale, lift, bring the shoulders forward, lift them up, exhale back and drop them down. So moving a forward roll action. Inhale up, exhale down. Your hands can simply guide around the knees like this, or you could also keep your arms a little bit more active and then do this too. Now reversing the direction, starting from back, inhale up, exhale down. Doing this a couple of times and then relaxing. Bring the palms and your hands to the front of you. Just going to do fist open and close. Active arms, close with the thumb inside, open, close, open. Doing this a couple of times. Now this, as my yoga teacher, Indra Chechi told, is probably one of the ways to build forearm strength for us women. And trust me, it really works. 4 months I'm on into it and I'm in a position to now approach at least attempting arm balances, or for that matter even stay in downward dog or even in plank for a longer time. So doing this daily for almost 4 months, 40-50 times, now I increase the speed, kind of definitely helps. Keep your arm active as you do this and breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Shake it up. You should feel a light burn starting from the wrist towards the elbow. Just shake it up. Now bring the arms forward to do wrist rotations. Close the fist. Rotate them inwards. Then rotate them outwards. And relax. Moving on to the leg. Just going to sit in an angle so you can see that. Just work the toes alone first. Working only the toes. Inhale, toes towards you. So sit in Dandasana, legs in front of you, palms by your side or lightly behind to support and keep your back straight. Feet together. Now inhale and bend the toes towards your legs. Exhale, bend the toes outwards. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Once you've done this, now extending the ankles further. Inhale, point the toes farther away, extending the ankle. Exhale, bring the toes towards the leg, flexing the ankle. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now keeping the feet slightly apart, doing clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation with the ankle. So inhale, extend out, exhale towards you. Reversing the direction, keeping the leg active. Shake them up a little. Starting with the right knee, place the fingers, wrap them and place them right below the knee. As you extend your leg, inhale, and as you bend your knee, exhale. Inhale, pointing the toes, exhale. The other toes can remain flexed or pointed. Inhale, exhale. Now rotating the knee clockwise. Inhale up, exhale down. Rotating the knee anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, point, exhale, bring the feet closer to the hip, bringing the knee down. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Repeating this a couple of times. Inhale, exhale. Now holding there, gently trying to tap the knees to help them extend. As you inhale, push them down. As you exhale, bring it closer to the chest. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then release. Now repeating the whole set on the left. Place the fingers below the thigh, closer to the knee. Inhale, point, exhale, bend. Inhale, point, exhale, bend. Now doing clockwise rotations. Inhale up, exhale down. Switching directions. Inhale up, switching directions. Now inhale, point, exhale, bring the heel closer to the hip. Inhale, point, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continuing to just flap the knee. Continue to just flap the knee. Inhale, inhale, point the knee away, exhale towards your chest. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay. Now bringing the feet closer together in front of you, Titilayasana or butterfly, just holding the ankle. You can just place the arms by your hips to lengthen the back and straighten it, or you could just hold here and then keep flapping and moving your knees up and down just like a butterfly. Helps open the hip and the pelvic when done dynamically. Now sitting in Sukhasana, we're just going to do a seated mountain pose. Inhale, arms locked up. Inhale, arms up, palms touching. As you keep inhaling, lengthen the body up. Exhale in place as you inhale, lengthen it up. Open the arms, release the palms, and now take a deep breath here. Inhale. As you exhale, drop the right hand below and extend your body towards the right side, giving a good side stretch. You can gaze up or gaze forward. Inhale to center, exhale to left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now the last round, inhale, exhale, and stay here for a few breaths, breathing in. Five. Inhale, exhale to the left. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, release. The next one is a spinal twist. So inhale, arms to the side. As you exhale, turn to the right. Place the right palm behind, left palm on the opposite knee, and gaze back or to the side. Inhale, exhale to the left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale into the twist. Inhale, exhale into the twist. Inhale, center, exhale, and now continuing to hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, twist to the left, exhaling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Now that we did stretching of the spine and we did the lateral extensions, what we did is the side stretching of the spine and now twisting of the spine, finally extending and flexing the spine in cat-cow or Murgery. Onto tabletop position on your knees hip width apart, palms right below your shoulder. As you inhale, drop the navel, arch back, chest open, gaze up. And as you exhale, lift the navel, tuck chin to the chest. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, neutral spine and release. So that was a sequence for a complete warm-up. Post this, you could do Surya Namaskars and then move into asana practice. Hope this was helpful. Please share your feedback and suggestions if necessary. Namaste.